How to discover the most bizarre objects in the universe. Space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders we can barely comprehend. But among the stars lie objects so strange, so bizarre, they defy the very laws of physics. In this video, we'll show you how to discover the most bizarre objects in the universe, from rogue planets to neutron stars and quasars that shine brighter than entire galaxies. Let's start with quasars. These are the brightest objects in the known universe, powered by supermassive black holes at the center of distant galaxies. But how can something so destructive create so much light? Quasars emit energy equivalent to trillions of suns, and some are so far away their light has taken billions of years to reach us. Fun fact, the first quasar was discovered in 1963, and it changed everything we knew about the cosmos. Next up, neutron stars. Imagine compressing the mass of our sun into a sphere just 10 miles wide. That's a neutron star. These stellar remnants are born from supernova explosions and spin at mind-blowing speeds. Some rotate hundreds of times per second. Fun fact, a sugar cube-sized piece of neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Now let's talk about the loners of the galaxy, rogue planets. These are planets that don't orbit any star. They drift alone through space, cold and dark. Scientists believe there may be billions of them in our galaxy alone. Fun fact, some rogue planets may even have moons and atmospheres, making them potential homes for alien life. From quasars to neutron stars to rogue planets, the universe is full of bizarre and fascinating objects. And we're only scratching the surface. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the mysteries of space.